Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Charge the watch above 30% and turn on your phone's Bluetooth. Open the LaxaSfit app now and sign in so your profile is ready. This ensures the app can save settings. Once done, grant location and notification permissions. These let the app scan for devices and push alerts. Make sure airplane mode is off on the watch and keep the two devices within 1 to 2 meters because a stable connection speeds pairing and reduces errors. You now pair the watch inside LaxaFit. Tap devices, then add device or press the plus icon. Select the exact watch model from the list. This matters because firmware and protocols differ. The app will scan and show a discovery entry. If you see a numeric code, confirm that the same code appears on the watch. Once matched, accept pairing prompts on both devices. After acceptance, the app will request permissions to sync health data, allow them so steps, heart rate, and sleep sync automatically. Finish by letting the initial sync run until steps, heart rate, and settings appear in LaxaFit. Do not force close the app during transfer. Once complete, enable auto sync and background refresh so data updates continuously. If something goes wrong, try a quick restart of phone and watch, then clear the app cache and redo pairing. This resolves most Bluetooth conflicts. If the watch still won't connect, toggle Bluetooth off and on, and make sure no other device is currently paired. Then try pairing again.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.